My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Semisweet Chocolate Bar palette. I think I'm going to create a neutral look with it. We'll see. I know they don't sell it anymore, but you can definitely find similar colors in your collection. And as usual, I have to get out of here, so I'm going to try to do this fast. I'm going to start with my dollar store brush and go into Coconut Cream as my setting shade. Next, I'm going in with my fluffy brush from Wish, and I'm going into Nougat, which is a cool toned, almost pink beige. And that is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, and I'm going into Puddin', which is, I would say, a cool toned deep taupe. I really don't know why they discontinued this palette. This is my favorite chocolate bar palette. Which means, here we go, take a drink. I'm the minority in the makeup community, so my guess is if I liked this one best, other people probably didn't. Next I'm going in with Rum Raisin, which is a shimmery taupe, like a mid-tone taupe maybe. And that's going on my inner 2/3. And then I'm going in with Hot Fudge, which is a shimmery, deep, cool tone brown on my outer. Ooh, that's dark. Okay. That's going on my outer 1/3. I do not remember it being that dark, but okay. And now I got some over here. I'm gonna go in with Rum Raisin again, just to blend that out a little more. Yikes, I was not expecting that. How does this always happen? To quickly finish off, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it, and I'm just going to mimic what I have on the... I can't do eyeshadow and talk at the same time, this is bad. The lid on my lower lash line. So I'm starting with Rum Raisin on the inner 2/3. Also, you'll see that I chose a warmer lip simply because that's what was here and I need to get out of here. Otherwise, I would have chosen something cooler toned. Because we all know that I like to be matchy-matchy. And then just a tiny bit of Hot Fudge on the outer 1/3. Not too much, because apparently it's darker and more pigmented than I thought. Or rather than I remember. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye! See you next time!